I'm sure you've heard the term, make money while you sleep, and that usually means earning passive income. You'll hear all sorts of ideas, such as investing in real estate, buying up gold, etc. However, with gold, you're not really earning anything. Yes, you do have an asset that's most likely to beat inflation, but that's about it. Real estate can give you income, but then again, is it really passive? I mean, you have to worry about maintenance and a whole host of other things. So, what's the realest way to make passive income? Well, that's dividend stocks. Hello and welcome back to Tides of Wealth, where you're just one sale away from financial success. Dividend stocks offer long-term investors unique benefits. A dividend is a payment from a large, profitable company that you get for owning stock in the company. Before diving into dividend stocks that you must buy and hold forever, let's take a bit to talk about the benefits of dividend investing. First of all, they're a good source of passive income. All you have to do is buy stock in the company and you'll be paid an income either quarterly or annually. Once you've bought the stock, you don't really have to do all that much. On top of that, it's not like anyone's coming and taking your stock away from you. So, if you've invested in a dividend stock, the value of your shares also goes up if the company is doing well. Another reason why dividend stocks are great is because they are low risk. In most cases, they gain back their value during harsh market movements, and that makes them a reliable option for risk-averse investors. You can also reinvest your dividends to buy more of the same stock, and that'll give you even more dividends next time, so that you can reinvest again, thus creating a compounding investment. Now that we've talked about all the reasons why you should be investing in dividend stocks, let's talk about the stocks that you must buy and hold forever. Starting with Verizon Communications Incorporated. Verizon is the largest mobile network carrier in the United States. On top of that, the company also offers landlines and broadband services. Verizon's dividend yield is 7.9%, and that represents the stock with the highest yield that we're going to talk about in today's video. Oh, and it's also the highest yield of any stock in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. According to Michael Hoddle, a stock analyst, there's been some media attention regarding the presence of lead in Verizon's cable sheathing, and all that has overshadowed the company's solid financial results. Hoddle says that he doesn't expect the lead-sheathed cables to be a massive liability, and it's a problem that's going to end up going away. According to Morningstar, their fair value estimate for Verizon stock is $54. How much is it going for in late September? Well, $33.6. So you're actually getting a massive discount. Verizon's annual operating income for 2022 was $30.467 billion, which is pretty darn solid. On top of that, according to The Verge, Verizon is all set to speed up its 5G connectivity, which will ensure the company stays relevant. Now, the next stock that you'll want to invest in is Honeywell International Incorporated. Honeywell is an industrial conglomerate that specialises in a whole host of things, such as industrial process automation, building automation, industrial materials, aviation and safety equipment. The company has been around for almost 120 years and has 103,000 employees. The company is backed by real, tangible, high-quality products, so there's little chance of it going bust anytime soon. Honeywell's second quarter earnings report has been in line with expectations, but the stock price has gone down. Don't worry about it though, since this is an overreaction to short-term cyclical weakness. However, both Honeywell's building technologies and their performance and material technologies were super solid in the quarter. Because of this, the company remains one of the best multi-industry investments you can make in the market right now. Warehouse automation technologies have also made a massive mark on the industry, and it'll be a long-term growth driver. Morningstar has set the fair rating of Honeywell stock as $228. However, you can buy it for just $191, which is up 10.4% from September 2022. There is one small problem though. The yield isn't that crazy. Honeywell is currently yielding at 2.2%. So a $100,000 investment from you will only get you $2,200 a year. However, considering the long-term prospects of the company and how the stock price will continue to increase, it can be a good, solid, safe and risk-free investment. On top of that, the company, while making real goods, is also going to be leveraging AI to get more efficient. Here's what Vimal Kapoor, the CEO of Honeywell, has said. We are actively exploring multiple areas to leverage AI in various facets of our operations. This includes not only our internal processes, but also the needs of our customers. As a company like Honeywell, focused on industrial manufacturing, we recognise the immense potential of AI in our software development endeavours. The future sure does seem bright for the company. Now, let's move on to the next dividend stock that you must buy and hold on to forever. The Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated. This one's kinda self-explanatory, isn't it? I mean, Goldman Sachs is one of the world's leading investment banks and security companies. Before anything though, let's talk about what's happening in 2023. Remember the entire Silicon Valley Bank fiasco? Yeah, the financial sector stocks have been weighed down by an overall banking crisis in 2023. Goldman has reported $1 billion worth of impairments in the second quarter, tied to its consumer banking platform's business and its real estate investments. According to stock analyst Michael Wong, these type of impairments are something that's just expected in the current difficult banking environment in 2023. And this is exactly why they're kind of irrelevant to the bank's overall value. And guess what? That's what the market thinks as well. Goldman's trading revenue still remains above pre-pandemic levels, and the stock is up 5% from September 2022. According to Morningstar, the fair price is $410. However, it's trading for $330 in the market. Though, as far as yield is concerned, it isn't exactly super impressive at 3.4%. However, it's solid enough. You can always just reinvest the dividends into the stock market to buy the same stock or other stocks to make even more money over time. Now, let's talk about the next company on the list, 3M Co. 3M is currently one of the most solid companies out there that you can invest in. It's a diversified global manufacturing company that provides a wide range of manufacturing, industrial, healthcare, safety and consumer products. The company's second quarter earnings were better than expected, and the company also has improved liquidity. This means that it's got the ability to maintain its dividend. Now, the company does continue to face liability uncertainty to a group of forever chemicals known as PFAS and its Combat Arms earplugs brand. Basically, there are reports that these plugs have PFAS in them, which can be detrimental to the human body. But that shouldn't cause too many problems for the manufacturers. That's because it has incredibly valuable proprietary technology, and because earplugs aren't extremely important to 3M's business. Analysts are projecting a long-term compound annual revenue growth of 2.5%, and Morningstar has listed the fair price of the stock as $131. But, as of September 2023, the company's stock is trading at 97.5, so it's again, like all stocks on the list, a discount. While the stock is selling at a discount, there's a slight downside too. Compared to last year, the stock is down 15%. The dividend yield is 6%, which is extremely solid and you can earn a hefty dividend. The next dividend stock that you need to absolutely buy is the Travelers Companies Incorporated. By the way, if you're enjoying everything in this video so far, would really appreciate it if you could just like and hit the subscribe button. Travelers is a property casualty insurance company with commercial and personal lines. The company reported a net loss of $14 million in the second quarter because of $1.5 billion in catastrophic losses. However, the company's underlying business trends were positive. The company's underlying combined ratio, which is basically a measurement of profitability, was 89.4%, which hasn't changed much compared to the last two quarters. The personal auto business isn't doing too well, to be honest. However, the profitability outlook for the Travelers commercial insurance business is quite solid. Morningstar has given the company's stock a fair value of $194. However, is trading at $168. The company's stock is up 12% from September 22, and its dividend yield is 2.5%. Now, 2.5% might not sound too impressive, but you have to remember, insurance is a forever business. Disasters are never going to stop happening, so you'll be investing in a recession-resistant industry. The next stock we're going to talk about is Dow Incorporated. Dow is an international chemical product producer and distributor that specializes in polyolefins, chlor-alkali products and coatings. The company's history is over 100 years old, and it's a household name. Dow's performance will most likely improve as the global economy continues to expand in 2024 and beyond. However, in the near term, the company is going to have a difficult time because of falling prices and low demand. Even then, this is a solid stock to buy, since the company operates in an extremely crucial and profitable industry. According to Morningstar, Dow has a fair rating of $72, while currently is trading at $51. The stock price has increased 13% from September 2022, and the dividend yield is 5.2%. Last but not least, Walgreens Boot Alliance Incorporated. Walgreens Boot Alliance is a drugstore retailer that also acts as a pharmacy and healthcare services provider. Through August 2023, the stock was down 29%, making it the worst performing stock on the list. However, this weakness is a buying opportunity for long-term investors. The company is dealing with a temporary issue because of price-sensitive customers and a weak respiratory season that resulted in lower high-margin cough product sales. However, it's expected to bounce back up. Despite all of this, Morningstar has a fair value of $40, while the stock is trading at $21. But the best bit, the dividend yield is at 7.3%. Well folks, with that said, let us know in the comments what you think is the best dividend stock to invest in. See you next time.